Today I want to be doing some Afro vibes, and it looks like this. And ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to be teaching you this challenge right here called Copines, something like that. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So this is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. And without wasting your time, let's get into it. So our first move, which is the first step of the section of the routine, is you want to use your right leg to kick. So you're going to kick and swing it on this side. So you're going to kick there. Did you get it? We're going to try it one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to kick. Got it? We try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to kick there. You get it? Nice. And then I'm going to teach you the second move where you are going to swing your waist. So when you swing our waist, we're going to come from the right. Don't push it to the right. Just swing from the right to the left. So I want to go 1, 2. I'm going to come closer so that you can see. I want to go 1, and then you're going to go 2. So you're going to go 1, and then you're going to go 2. You're going to go 1, and then you're going to go 2. Simple. If you continue that, you're going to get it. So that's what we're going to do on our second step. So this is our first step. You're going to go 1, and then you go 1, 2. You get it? We're going to try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. The first move, second move. You get it? So it's a swing this side and then a swing this side. We'll try and do it slowly in 5, 6, 7, 8. First move, second move, which is 2. Did you get it? Try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, and then you go 1, 2. You get it? And then when you're at this side, you want to kick again with your right. We're at the left, but you're kicking with your right. So you kick again, and then you move from the right again. You go 1, 2. You get it? So you want to go and do these 2 moves twice. Yeah? So 1, 1, 2. 1, and then 1, 2. Got it? Should we continue? We'll do that one more time slowly in 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2. Kick. 1, 2. We move on to the second step. So our second step is gonna be Chinese, Changli. So you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna move your hip. You're gonna move this side, or if you want, you can twist your leg. So it depends what you want, yeah? And then we're just gonna push 1, 2. Easy, right? So 1, 2, and then I'll show you down. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. So together, that's it. But if you wanna use your waist, that's okay. That's for the people that are using like half, like on the top, maybe up to here. You can always use your waist. Your waist is very important. So it's waist, yeah? So you're gonna go 1, 2 if you're using the waist. This is like beginner. But if you're using if you're going full on energy, you use, but we're not probably gonna go full on energy. So it's gonna be like a 1, 2, yeah? A 1, 2, or a 1, 2, right? And then you're gonna go 1, 2. If you're not using, like if you are like a girly vibe, so it's gonna be 1, 2, yeah? 1, 2. After 1, 2, and then 1, 2. You go 1, 2, and then 1, 2. You go 1, 2, and then you go 1, 2. Got it? Right, we move on to the third step. The third step, you're gonna go 1, 2, right? And then you're gonna go 1, 2. That's where it ends. simple, bro. It's finished. We'll do the third step again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna hit 1, 2. And then it's either you're gonna go 1, 2, or you're gonna go 1, 2. So the 1, 2 is a roll. So there's this one. You can always choose if you want this one or you want this one. Yeah, this one is like this. You're moving your waist this side and then this side, but without the whole, it's just right here. It's right there. Right here, bro. Right here. Yeah? 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 Let's do third. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So boom, pa, pa. 1, 2. Or here. 1, 2. That's where it ends. We're gonna try this from the top very slowly. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, pa. 1, 2. Pa, pa. 1, 2. Pa, pa, pa. 1, 2. Pa, pa, pa. 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, pa, pa. 1, 2. 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 I hope you guys got this. It was pretty simple. Yeah, let's try it with the music. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching until this end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, have a nice weekend. Peace.